Don't drive too crazy, man.
I'll make sure we get back.
Okay, be careful. You're not driving this down here.
I'll bring it back.
Yeah, this is completely different, man. Oh my god, even the Alcantara as well.
Yeah. It's not set up, is it? Imagine.
Yeah. It's beautiful setup. You gotta look after this thing, man.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Definitely.
Price of a house, man.
Expensive, isn't it?
Definitely.
250,000.
Oh, that's how much it cost.
No, brand new.
Ooh.
It's, I didn't get it. There's no.
Yeah. Please take it easy. This is really expensive stuff, man.
Active. We're going for manual.
Jesus Christ. This is what they mean by handled by rails.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh.
Just traction on. This will just stay on constantly, that traction on.
Yeah. So low to the ground. Jesus.
Ready?
Yeah.
Just traction on. I'll get traction.
That is way. That's the quickest car I've been in. This is the quickest street
See
car
how
I've
this
been in.
traction's flicking away like it's mental, isn't it?
Jesus Christ. Oh my god. If I was a girl, mate.
Oh yeah.
Christ. Oh my god. Whew. This is
Really just
a full-on race car, man. This has got to be the fastest car you've ever driven.
Yeah. It's
Come
fastest
on.
up there, mate. Yeah. Bike speed.
Jesus Christ. But it's enjoyable.
Yeah.
Like, you know, when you can feel it. You know, some cars, it grips so good, it snaps.
Yeah.
With this, you can play with
Look
it.
at that there. You just fucking slip
Yeah.
The weight ratio is brilliant on it.
Best car I've ever been in, hands down. The best car, man. Jesus. Wow, this car is something else, man.
Different.
Thank you so much, man. Like that. I always knew McLaren is like the fastest one to get. Lamborghini and that sort of show.
There ain't much in them.
Nah. I've driven a Lamborghini.
Oh, yeah.
Whatever it's called, the Huracans.
Yeah.
This is 100 times better. 100 times better. This will blow a Lamborghini.
Oh yeah.
Easy. Jesus Christ, man. That is mad. Absolutely insane. Look, it's gotta make you scared when you drive it. It's gotta scare you.
I love it.
Oh my god.
Makes you feel I'm on track again.
Yeah, 1000%, man. More than a track. This will blow everything off the track. This will. Jeez, man. My life. My life. This is something else, man. Jeez, the way it just gets off. There's zero light.
Straight through.
Yeah, bang, 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 and it's carrying on, man. This is like a cheat code, man. This, man, Terry, man, thank you so much, man. But whoa, one day, man. But this is something else, though.
Yeah.
Whew. My heads are ringing right now. My God, man. Jesus. That's you, yeah?
I seen it.
This is where it all starts. So, like in the middle of coronavirus, this is the first ever unit. Sometimes you just gotta bite the bullet and do it, and just pray and hope that it all works out. But I hope it all pays off, really. That's the dream. Because at the moment, this is it. It's just an empty little unit. Remind myself that this is where it all started off. Remind myself that I started off here with nothing. And if you've got a dream and goals, you gotta do some crazy stuff, right? Del Sol, Accord, Type R, S4, A6, Lexus, BMW, Golf, ST Rep, Prelude, V6, Type R, another Prelude, and end of an era, and everything happens for a reason.